So many of you are asking why we sold our previous house to purchase this one. For one, my dream, my passion and my desire is to retire in the country. So we bought that house, we remodeled it, we spent a lot on it, build it up, and we were able to sell it back for 3 times the amount so we could purchase this one. Whenever time you purchase somebody's house, understand that you're gonna change it. You're gonna change it into your own liking. And for a house that is 25 years old, it's gonna need repairs. Thank God we don't have much. The only repair we have to do is the pipes, and you already know the pipe is a problem. But we wanting to move to the country, but there are some things that we didn't take into consideration. That when you move from Kingston to country, the food bill is gonna be so high. Me not understand. How is it you're there country and banana is more expensive than in Kingston? In Kingston you can get a dozen banana for $100, and you're in the country and you get a dozen banana for $300. That don't make any sense. So I had no idea that it would have been so hugely different in the cost. So when I saw 1 pound of chicken back for $450, 1 pound of chicken for $550, 1 pound of chicken foot for $300, 1 pound of liver for $250. Then I asked, I questioned, how? And then I was told that they have to go to Kingston and buy it, and the cost to bring it down to sell it to us in the country, that is why it is so expensive. Because I was wondering if it is price gouging. Who is monitoring these high costs of food that we have to undergo? Luckily for me, I know how to eat 1 tin of mackerel 4 times. I know how to eat 1 finger banana 2 times. So luckily for me, I come from Niamin cane bump off the street. So I know how to cut and go through. So for those of you who are considering moving to the country, take that into consideration. Yes, you may want to move to the country for whatever reason, but bear in mind that the cost for food is gonna hit you, because it appears as if farming is not done in the countryside anymore. Him not there? No, nobody there. Then him not always lock up, or you know say him not there? You hear me shout? But you... So you have to take that into consideration, living into the countryside against living in Kingston. Because I heard that a pound of chicken back in Kingston is for $200. Maybe kidney in Kingston is for Kingston and St. Catherine is for maybe $100. We have to pay 2 times the amount living in the countryside. It is very unfortunate, but that is the reality. So think, and I regret selling our house to move here? No. It's just that we have to cut back, and me should not eat meat or them something there nonetheless. So it's just that you want a little bit every now and again, but bear in mind that the cost is going to hit you when you move to country. Can you imagine how much for 1 coconut? I couldn't even think. I live in a country, I can't even think of buying a jelly. Because maybe 1 coconut jelly is for $1,000. So I don't understand, how is it them farm the thing a country and it 10 times dearer country than Kingston? Your guess is as good as mine. I don't understand either.